Hey guys, okay, so here's our St. Patrick's Day insert for the woven basket. Now we're going to go ahead and separate all these pieces into what colors we want. Now I am going to use greens and golds and yellows. First I'm using meadow, that's going to be that bright green. Then I'm going to take some of the wild lime and I'm going to add that to our 4-leaf clovers and the tag as well. And then just kind of mix that in just a little bit. Just gives it a little bit different, like a little bit of shadow. I don't even know all the technique, like the, the technical terms for this, you guys. I just do it. And then I'm going to use saffron to color it in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the wonderful Nominee. It's like a metallic gold color. And I'm going to use that Nominee and I'm going to kind of dry brush it around the green as well. But I'm going to go ahead and paint in that, the little horseshoe with the Nominee. And then I'm going to use bark for the wood pieces and black for the belt across the hat. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint white for our letters. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and dry those. And I have my my super glue, okay? And I like this super glue. You can find it on my Amazon site. Again, you can go to spoiledbybrie.com and find it. But I like it because you actually have to push it a little bit more for it to come out. It doesn't just come out too much. And so that's why I really like this one. But we're gonna go ahead and glue all of those pieces on. And then we've got, what is this one? I think I'm coming on with, that's the Walnut Distress ink. So I'm going to go ahead and rub that around the sides. Okay, and then we're going to add the little buckle on top of it. And glue on our 4-leaf clover there. And then we're going to add the little pieces on top and then behind the wooden piece, okay? And then for the little tag, we're just going to add some twine and we're going to droop it over the front just like that.